What's up, guys? Today we are downtown LA, gonna try 2 of the top 10 taco spots in LA. So here we go. So here we are at the first spot. It's called Sonoratown and the line has already begun. All right, it was too loud to record inside, but my review on the place, it wasn't all that. The tortillas were a little bit like wax paper or like Vietnamese spring roll wrappers that haven't been softened yet or something. I don't know. The tortillas were kind of whack. The meats were pretty good. The hot sauce was good, but nah. So we're on to the next one, which is Tacos 1986. All right, we just finished Tacos 1986. Man, what a disappointment. The meat, the carne asada was too gristly, so chewy, and the meat quality just was not all that. And then what they're famous for is the Adobada, which is basically like an al pastor, their version of al pastor or whatever. No, it was like lacking flavor. And the tortillas, the handmade tortillas, not all that either. So I'll give you my review, full review later on. Okay, so we're back home. In conclusion to the Sonoratown versus Tacos 1986, we liked the meat better at Sonoratown. We didn't really care for their handmade tortillas. But at Tacos 1986, it was just all the way, both blue, thumbs down, right, babe?
Yes.
So we just wanted to try them out. They were 2 of the top 10 best of LA taco spots, and no, we've eaten at many taco joints, and so far those 2 don't make the list for us. So again, this is just our opinion. Don't bash us for our bold palates. You know, Asians like bold flavors and tastes. So these 2 places were just not bold enough. And oh, by the way, the Tacos 1986, the meat over there, poor quality. Hate to say it. Anyways, again, that's just our opinion. Alright guys, if you liked our video, click subscribe or like this video, and maybe we'll do another one.